Welcome to Meshy's new Workspace, your complete 3D creation hub redesigned from the ground up. Let's dive in. The new Discover page now features an integrated creation bar. Simply drop in an image or a text prompt and generate instantly. For 3D printing users, we've built something special. Once your model is generated, Meshy automatically checks its printability, so you know it's print ready before moving on. The entire printing workflow now lives in its own sidebar module. Add a base for stability, or click Multicolor Print to get started. Your textures are automatically converted into FDM-ready color blocks. You can customize the colors and adjust the level of detail to suit your print. Once you're happy with the result, send it to your slicer or download it directly. Going from a 3D model to a physical print is now simpler than ever. To open the full Creative Hub, click the Workspace button in the header. If you're a game developer, this is where you get complete control of your model. Select your model type, topology, and pose, then generate a fully textured asset in just a minute. Once generated, rig your model directly inside the workspace with just a few clicks. Then browse our animation library and apply the ones you need to bring your character to life. Use DCC Bridge to send your animated character straight to Blender, Unity, and more. Or download in the format you need with rigging and animations included. To view all your images and models, head to the new Assets tab. Everything you've generated is organized in one place. The new Workspace isn't just a facelift, it's a complete rethink of the 3D creation experience. Less hunting, more making. Try it today at meshy.ai.